you beautiful, financially confused couch potatoes. I'm Homer J. Simpson, and welcome to Finance! Before we get started, if you want to learn how to make money so you can buy more of the things you really need, like extra large sodas and maybe a new tire swing, you gotta do me a favor! Hit that subscribe button for Finance right now. Do it! Or I'll eat all the good snacks before you get here. Why saving is harder than resisting a free hot dog. You ever wonder why saving money is harder than trying to sneak out of work early on a Friday? You try. You make a budget. You promise Marge you'll stop buying lunch at the vending machine, and you swear this month will be different. But then life happens. The bills, the credit card, and poof! There goes your plan. Listen up, because this is the secret no one tells you. Saving money isn't just about having the willpower of a saint. It's about having a strategy. It's like when I plan my route home from the nuclear plant. It looks messy, but I always end up at Moe's. Today, I'm gonna show you how to scrape together your first $10,000 in a way that is so simple you'll wonder why you didn't just skip work and start sooner. Let's get to it. Step 1. The ultimate anti-temptation contract. You've tried to control yourself, but the future, you always screws it up. Present you promises to be good, but then it's Friday night, you're tired, and suddenly those greasy, crusty burgers on the delivery app look like a gift from a benevolent food god. That's normal. Our brains want the pleasure right now. But here's a trick even Marge would approve of. The Ulysses contract. This is ancient wisdom! Ulysses knew the siren singing would make him crash his boat, so he told his crew to tie him to the mast so he couldn't jump overboard. You gotta do the same thing with your wallet. Tie your hands before the temptation shows up. Leave the plastic at home. Just take a tiny bit of cash when you go out. Enough for a donut, not enough for a whole new speedboat. Hide your credit card. Put it inside a dictionary. Or better yet, send it to Flanders' house. You'll never want to go over there to get it. Block those tempting websites. If you can't click on buy now, you can't buy it. The goal is to make it painful to spend money. If you have to break into a sweat just to get to your money, you'll probably just sit down and eat a bag of chips instead. Step 2. Automate everything, like the plant butt for money. Saving is like a diet. When you have to decide every single day to eat a vegetable instead of a hot fudge sundae, you eventually fail. With money, it's the same. The secret is automation. What does that mean? As soon as that paycheck hits your account, a piece of it immediately jumps into a savings account. Think of it as a moat around your money. Open a separate account, one you never look at. Call it the Donut Future Fund. Set up an automatic transfer for payday, even if it's just $200. Now, forget that money exists. Pretend it went on a long, boring trip with Principal Skinner. If you don't see it, you can't spend it. Simple. In the beginning, you're pumped. You see the money growing. But then a sale comes along. You have a weekend with the guys. And you think, I deserve this. And boom! Back to zero. Remember this. Motivation gets you started. The system keeps you going. Don't rely on your feelings. Set up the system, automate the transfer, use the 30-day delay, and keep repeating it until you hit that first $10,000. How long will it take? If you save $500 a month, you're done in 20 months. If you save $1,000 a month, you're done in 10 months. You don't need to earn $1 million. You just need to stop letting your money slip through your fingers like a greasy pork chop. Saving money is like digging a hole. At first, it's just dirt. But if you keep digging, eventually, you find the water. Now, get out there. You don't have to do everything today, but take one step. Invest today, so tomorrow you can buy more donuts.